Hello students, this is your English grammar book and today we will discuss the remaining part of lesson 4, that is conditional sentences. Today we will discuss about kinds of conditional sentences. Conditional sentences may be classified as real and unreal. Real conditional sentence contain two parts, the if clause and the result clause. These are called as zero conditional. They are used in several ways. So as we have discussed in the previous class, there are two parts of the conditional sentences. Number one is the if clause, that is conditional clause. Second is the result clause, that is the main clause, and that is depend on the conditional clause, that is if clause. So they are said to be zero conditional and they are used in several ways. Number one is they are used to make the statements about the real world, about the facts, about the general truths or scientific facts. Example, if you freeze water, it becomes a solid. So this is the if clause part, that is the conditional sentence part. Now look at these examples. If you freeze water, it becomes a solid. Now look at these examples. If you freeze water, it becomes a solid. अगर हम पानी को फ्रीज करते हैं, वाटर को फ्रीज करते हैं, तो then it takes the shape of a solid. That means it is based on the condition. And in these type of sentences, that is zero conditional, we can replace if with the when. Suppose we will write when you freeze water, it becomes solid. So this is the zero conditional clause. It can be used to make the statement about real world, about the general truth and scientific facts. If public transport is efficient, people stop using their cars. If I eat too much, I get sick. If you mix red and blue, you get purple. So if this thing happen, this would happen. So this is the conditional clause. One is the if clause, that is the conditional clause, and the another one is the main clause, that is the result clause, that is dependent on certain things, that if this thing happen, then this would be happened. Now next, to make logical deductions, if you want to lose weight, you should eat less and exercise more. If you went to bed earlier, you would not be so tired. If you have a few hours to spare, you may visit the museum. So what do you notice here? Again, we have the two clauses, that is the if clause and the result clause, conditional clause, and the another one is the main clause, that is the result clause, and that is dependent on the condition given over there. If you want to lose weight, अगर आप अपना weight lose करना चाहते हैं, तो you should eat less and exercise more. तो आपको खाना कम खाना पड़ेगा और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी, एक्सरसाइज करनी पड़ेगी. इफ़ यू वेंट टू बेड अर्लियर, अगर आप बेड मतलब सोने जल्दी चले जाएंगे तो आपको थकान नहीं होगी. यू वुड नॉट बी सो टायर्ड. सो these the result clause, that is the main clause, depends on the if clause, that is the condition. यहाँ पे आपको condition दी, अगर आप ऐसा करोगे तो what would be the result. To give instructions using the imperative in the main clause, if David phones, tell him to meet me at the cinema. So imperative condition आपको दी हुई है main clause में. If David phones, अगर David फ़ोन करता है तो आप उसको क्या बताएंगे कि मुझे आके वो कहाँ पे मिले, सिनेमा में. So tell him to meet me at the cinema. This part, that is the main clause, and this is the imperative statement, that somebody is giving instructions to tell him to meet me at the cinema. If you want to come, call me before 5 If the food is cold, put it in the microwave. So this part, that is the main clause part, that is the result clause, and this is the imperative statements. To show that the actions are only likely to happen after the condition has taken place. तो ज़ीरो कंडीशनल सेंटेंसेस तब भी यूज़ होते हैं जब हम क्या शो करते हैं, दैट सर्टेन एक्शंस विल लाइकली टू हैपन, कुछ ऐसे एक्शंस होने वाले हैं आफ्टर द सर्टेन कंडीशन हैज़ टेकन प्लेस, अगर ऐसा होता है तो ऐसा होगा. एंड दिस, look at these examples. First, if you would only study harder, you will pass the class. So what is given over? If you would only study harder, अगर आप study hard करते हो, means कड़ी मेहनत करते हो, तभी आप पास हो पाओगे. You will pass the class. If I am elected president, I will implement bilingual education. If you would only help in the kitchen today, I will cook your favorite meal tomorrow. अगर आप मेरी हेल्प करोगे किचन में आज, तो ही मैं आपका पसंदीदा खाना या भोजन बनाऊंगा. Unreal conditionals. The unreal conditionals is used to speculate about things that are impossible or improbable. Improbable means जिसकी संभावना ना हो. Impossible जो असंभव हो, almost impossible. So the present unreal conditional sentences talks about the present time, life today, right now, but imagining or wishing something that is untrue. Present unreal conditional sentences किसके बारे में बात करते हैं? It is about the present time, जो अभी की current situation हो या अभी होने वाला है, या लेकिन it is imagining, जिसकी हम इमेजिनेशन करते हैं, दैट इज़ अनट्रू, दैट इज़ नॉट ट्रू, दैट इज़ सेड टू बी अनरियल कंडीशनल. इन अ विश सेंटेंस और in an if clause, you use the past tense to show that the verb is unreal about the present. The main clause, often called the result clause, uses what? मेन क्लॉज, जिसको हम रिजल्ट क्लॉज भी बोलते हैं, उसमें हम क्या यूज़ करेंगे? वोट. If I had a lot of money, I would buy a house. So what is this? If I had a lot of money, अगर मेरे पास बहुत सारा पैसा होगा तो मैं एक घर खरीद सकता हूँ. So what is the truth over here? That you don't have a lot of money. It is based on the situation that if I had certain amount. If I knew Japanese, I would work in Tokyo. And what's the truth here? That the person here don't know the Japanese. If I wish I had a better job, if I had a good job, I would be much happier. So that is the result clause here. If I had a good job. So what is the situation here? What is the truth here? That he didn't had the good job. If he had the good job, then he would be much happier. Now, the next one. The verb to be is always were in the unreal, no matter who the subject is. Yes, this is the very important part. The verb to be is always used in the form of were. अनरियल सेंटेंसेस में पास्ट टेंस में यूज़ करते हैं हम मेन क्लॉज का. सब्जेक्ट्स के साथ में यूज़ करना है हमको पास्ट टेंस का. वी विल हैव टू यूज़ पास्ट टेंस, सिंपल पास्ट टेंस. बट हेयर वी डोंट, सब्जेक्ट डजंट मैटर्स कि आइदर इट मे बी ही, शी, then you will have to use was. No, here you have to use were. Here the subject doesn't matter, that either it may be singular or it may be plural. Here subjecting mood will be used. So always you have to use here were in these type of conditional sentences. He wishes he were the mayor. If he were mayor, he would solve the homeless problem. The truth is that he is not the mayor. If I were taller, I would play basketball. I wish I was 6 feet tall. The truth is that you are not tall. If I were taller, if I wish I were 6 feet taller. What you notice? Here again, with I you have to use were, with he you have to use were. So in this type of conditional sentence, you have to use were. An imagined idea about a past event is called past unreal. एक imagination है past के बारे में कि अगर ऐसा होता तो then what will be happen. So that is the result clause. The next, the verb in the wish clause or if clause is put in the past perfect. That is past perfect tense आपको मालूम है head के साथ में past participle, that is the third form of the verb is being used here to show the past unreal. The main clause, the result clause will use would have plus past participle. Main clause में क्या use करना है आपको? Will के साथ में would have and then again the past participle form. If I had liked school better, I would have studied and I would have learned more. So what do you notice here? If I had, that is the had, this is the be verb here, and liked, that is the past participle form. If I had liked school better, I would have studied. Again, what you have to use here? Would have plus past participle. And I would have learned more. I wish I had been a better student as a boy. I wish I had had better teachers too. I wish my parents had forced me to do my homework. So again, what you have noticed? Notice the structure carefully, read the structure carefully and review the video properly to understand the statements. What you have to use here? Past perfect, that is had plus past participle form. And in the main clause also you have to use would have plus past participle form. Now the truth is that you didn't like school. If I had liked school better, अगर स्कूल को मैं ज़्यादा अच्छे से पसंद करता, I would have studied and I would have learned more. मैं ज़्यादा अच्छे से अगर मैंने पढ़ा होता तो मैं और ज़्यादा अच्छे से सीख सकता. You didn't study and you didn't learn. You were not a good student and you didn't have good teachers and your parents did not force you to do your homework. So that is all the imaginary situations about the past. If she had reminded me that yesterday was her birthday, I would have bought her a present. If she had reminded me that yesterday was her birthday, means कल अगर उसने मुझे remind कराया होता कि that day was her birthday, I would have bought her a present. That is the result clause. Main clause, I would have bought, मैं इसके लिए present लाया होता या लाई होती. At least I would have sent her a card. So all these are imaginary situations about the past. The truth is that she didn't remind you, so you didn't buy her a present. So that is the unreal conditional sentences. Understood? So review the video properly to understand all situation and try to solve the exercise. Thank you.